Let's get it on.
What is going on, guys? I need bass. Thank you for tuning in. So, after all this time, the bass assassin is now ready to go. Well, I mean, ready to go. It just started up. Yo, it was a fuel pump. That's all it was a fuel pump. And come to find out, guys. Are you ready? The reason why I'm backing this out because I end up having gas go everywhere. And I'm guessing that line just sat there and got bad. Man, I haven't seen this side of my garage in like forever. And dude, I am so happy. Like, now that my car is finally running, I get to finally start building. And that was my main goal. Get this thing started, because what's a stereo system without a freaking alternator running? You know, like, I had to get that thing going. So I just want to give you guys a quick update that the bass assassin is back, guys. We're going to get this thing building. I'm super happy with it. My thing keeps floating down. But man, it's been 2 years. And some of you guys that's been following me, you know I couldn't get this car started. And not once. It feels so good to see it like that. Man, I'm telling you what. Good times. Anyway, just want to keep you guys updated on what's going on right now. I Need Bass signing out. Peace.
Let's get it on.